my car just died. All right, what's up everybody? This is Nick with Twin Turbo. Came downtown with Tuco, my camera. Named it Tuco. I'm not really feeling the photography. Ooh, that's a sick Challenger. You know, we got the Burble tune in here for now. So this week, I'm gonna have to take out the tune 200 miles over on my service. I gotta go get that done at Kia. While we're down here, let's get some Burbles and check out the scenery. To the best taillights in the game. Oh my God, on camera. To the best taillights in the game. And I picked green because that's my favorite color. Why not? Let's go race some hell. Oh, heads up guys. When you go to shut your Stinger door, don't grab it here. I've been seeing some Stingers on Instagram where this thing's popping off. So F that, grab it right here. All right, tips and tricks, guys. When you're recording, make sure these vents aren't on. Don't be that guy where the freaking wind's blowing in the mic. You know the drill. I need to get some downshifts in. Second gear. Everyone's looking, dude. Oh, there's a Stinger. Look, I see those taillights. Someone's blowing loud. Yes, Blink 182, damn it. I listen to everything. You ready? Oh yeah, tunnel, here we go. Is that a cop? Oh, get out of there. Lozic, I love you, dude. You're an animal. Who needs cats, man? Yeah. Now let's go get this stuff off the car. Check this out. Look, we gotta modify everything. So we just got Cali. I don't have the box. Closer, Cali. See these? So you run these, you clip these on each spoke. There's only 3. Driving me crazy. I wish there was a 4th one here. You run the wires in between the spokes so when you spin the wheel, it doesn't get caught up in the hub. But check this out. Ooh! Alright, you gotta test it out. I left my lit kit on. Everyone does that. All right, watch the handlebars. Are there any other modes? Let's see. That'll probably look sick when you're chopping. Oh no, I broke it. Hold on. Carbon. Steve, thank you. Water meth injection. Damn it, did you see my address? We gotta confirm that this anonymous package is, in fact, the water meth injection kit. It's like we got a tank. Ooh, this is the low profile tank. I actually have no idea what's in these boxes. I think it's the whole entire kit. Dang, that's even got a billet BMS like aluminum cap on it. It's fire. Okay. Nice job packaging it up, bro. The foam. This is the heavy box. Let's see what we got. Oh wow, it's like already done. Dude, there's 2 freaking tanks. Gosh guys, look, it's right here. The pump's already here. It's attached to it. Dude, this thing's like serious. We got more stuff, guys. We got more stuff. Like some sort of mounting plate. Nice billet aluminum. Dude, look at those welds. Some fat boy welds. We have, last but not least, looks like the wiring that goes with it. Some nozzles. Let's see what's in here, shall we? Here's the fun part when you're running water meth, is running this to the engine bay. We got some nozzle fittings. Looks like a relay. This racing product is for closed circuit course only. / twin turbo. Oh yeah, like some wire caps. Wow, there's a lot in this kit. So this is the complete kit, dude. Thank you so much. Power ground. Some more nozzles. Like something serious, bro. Does this void the warranty? So I'm gonna have to figure out what I'm gonna do. Let's go out to the garage. Time's come, gotta take the car to the dealer. I'm just gonna remove the tunes. I'm leaving the blow-off valves and the intakes and everything on here this time, so I mean. But I will let you know what Kia says, and when we get back, I'm gonna install a new set of HKS plugs, throw everything back on the tunes, and get to working on this water meth kit. Buy Apple stock, a lot of it. Well, we can't have that. Oh, hey, how's it going? Oh, cool. Thank you. Thought those were car parts, but it's just Amazon. All right, dude. Got everything out. Car's about to be slow. Real quick while I'm here, guys, this is just 93 octane only for the last 1,500 miles. That's more than like E30 with 4,000 miles, so that's insane. Lit kit's on. Well, we're all done, guys. It's funny, the JB4 just keeps growing. All right, so this is the first time I've driven this car like basically stock. It's just got exhaust intakes and some blow-off valves, that's it. So let's go punch it for a reminder of a stock Stinger compared to what I've had. And oh my gosh. I heard a little bit of burble action. Stinger's got a slight burble. Oh my God, dude, my car just died. I forgot I had the auto start stop. I hate this feature. Lozic. Oh, I forgot. I was so used to never having to turn that off, and it just freaked me out. The low end is gone. Oh my gosh, this thing is slow. All right, so I'm not trying to go into limp mode because I know it will wide open throttle sometimes with just intakes and exhaust. Oh my gosh, dude. I have a whole new appreciation for the Lozic TCU and ECU. Like, this thing is a slug, guys. Now keep in mind, I've been driving the Stinger tuned up, JB4, E30, all that for like pretty much the whole time I've had it. You can tell it's a very heavy car. Oh, it's night and day difference, dude. Okay, yeah, we're gonna be covering a lot of videos on the Lozic ECU, TCU, water meth injection, JB4, all of that. Stay tuned. We had to take a break from car stuff. We're gonna go on this canal over here. I wanna show you guys something. See that? White scooter, electric. Oh, there's two of them.
Wow.
First, I'm just gonna rent one to make sure you're able to do it. And if you can, then we'll get to it. That's called a bird. It looks like there's a QR code here. Let's see. All right, let's see what this thing's got. This thing's freaking quick, dude. So, I got all the stuff off the Stinger. Power is like 50% left. Tomorrow, got an appointment with Kia. My rear diffuser actually got shipped to my ex's house, but I'm gonna go pick that up. So we're gonna put that on. BMW. Meet up with Papa Fall on Saturday morning down here, so. Oh my gosh, you're making me nervous, dude. People that have Stingers, they... Yo, what's the odds of this, bro? I'm going down here on the canal with my daughter, dude. This dude recognized me. He wanted to say what's up.
What's up, man? What's up, man?
Yeah,
Been watching you since like about a year and a half or so. Yeah, like, before I even had a Stinger.
which is wild.
Yeah. So you had a Stinger.
Yeah, I had a Stinger. I had an 18.
He went EV, man. He went EV. What's the 0 to 60 on it though?
Trash.
Teslas take off, bro.
It's a Model 3, but like that's what I've been wanting Tesla since I was like 15, bro.
Yeah.
So that was the early
Especially
Model
right
S.
now.
Yeah, so I'm like, I'm 25 now, so I'm like, I do go back to a car. I'm getting a Stinger for sure.
My man. All right, bro. It's nice seeing you, man. You take it easy, bro.
Okay, bye.
All right. All right, let's go, Callie. Those are the odds of that, bro. That's actually been happening more and more recently, man, at gas stations and stuff like that.
Hey.
Talk about photography.
Who was that guy?
He was a twin turbo supporter. We just happened to recognize him with you, so pretty sick. He's a photographer too. I'm gonna link his stuff right here. I just checked out his IG, bro. He's got some good stuff. So. Your daddy's famous. Oh look, drone action. Yeah, this is my new spot. This is my new spot, dude. Right here. Yep. Callie, what do you think of twin turbo? Be honest.
That's boring.
So I'm actually planning a getaway with Callie to go down to Florida. So I got to get out of here and kind of reset. Plus, obviously, she wants to go. I'm gonna go here soon though, because she's gonna love it. So I'll get some content when I record that too. But I think it's gonna be a good time, man. I'll keep you guys posted though. Could it be another Stinger? Dude, look how good that paint looks on camera.